Hey everyone, welcome to the ChaiTech Accelerator. This is an 8-week program where we inspire, uplift, and upskill Jewish entrepreneurs from right across Ontario. The program is presented by the Ontario Jewish Startup Network, which is a unique partnership between ChaiTech, Prosserman JCC, Schulich School of Business, and the Ontario government. Our focus is to build a better Ontario together, and that means empowering Jewish entrepreneurs to build global businesses, build allyships across other communities, and strengthen relationships and bonds between the Israeli and Canadian tech ecosystems. Being an entrepreneur is incredibly challenging, so we empower them through a number of different support systems. One, they get access to our 8-week intensive program, which is delivered live and in person. They also get to participate in a masterclass by Waze co-founder Uri Levine. We're so grateful to have Uri Levine, co-founder of Waze, an incredible Israeli founder here joining us to inspire and educate our founders on how to build global billion-dollar businesses.
This is actually my fourth time here. I teach here more than any other place, and I like it. At the end of the day, you mentioned that I'm founder of Waze. I'm an entrepreneur. I built 2 unicorns so far, but I'm also a teacher. So I feel equally rewarded when I build stuff myself or I guide someone to build it. And right here, this is exactly what I do. I help entrepreneurs to become more successful.
I loved ChaiTech. I highly recommend it to anybody who's entrepreneurial, who's building out some sort of interesting, innovative solution for problems in the world.
Any founder that is struggling to learn the ABCs, how to run a successful business. Any founder that's interested in taking their company to the next step, I encourage you to fill out the form and strongly considering making the commitment to join this very powerful community and network.
After the tragedy of October 7th, we recognized that there was an important opportunity to unite our community in new ways by building a stronger community, engaging with our allies, and showing our support for the state of Israel and its people. We're incredibly grateful for the support and leadership from the Ontario government. Thanks to the generosity of the provincial government through the Skills Development Fund, we're able to offer this program complimentary to Jewish founders right across the province. So especially a big thank you to Premier Ford, Minister Kurzer, Minister Piccini, and the other ministers and MPPs for not only showing their support, but actively attending our events to show their solidarity and encouragement to our community and our participants.
The advantage of being with ChaiTech is an opportunity to learn a lot, good breadth of knowledge here, good access to good people. We can give good advice in all aspects of your business.
I highly recommend the ChaiTech program to anyone who is considering it. It really pulls you out of your shell and really puts you into center stage to really understand what you are building and who you're building it for.
I feel like one of my best decisions here in Canada was to participate in the ChaiTech Accelerator. Without ChaiTech, I don't think that I will be able to think outside of the box and to do the networking that I'm doing, and it really gave me so much, and I'm so thankful.
ChaiTech has been absolutely incredible. ChaiTech is an incredible experience. Heard a lot of hype before ChaiTech, but I tempered my expectations. I didn't want to be let down, but honestly, it's exceeded the hype that I heard, way beyond everything that I've heard about ChaiTech. Even today with Uri Levine, which is absolutely a highlight of the program as well, unquestionably.
We can't wait to tell you more about it. We hope to see you at our next cohort, so please apply today. We're here to build the best entrepreneurs and strengthen our community together.